So aromatically, remember aromatherapy is so easy. You just put 1 or 2 drops of doTERRA eucalyptus in your hands like this and breathe in. Hi, I'm Roxy Saran. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're glad you have found us. Today we're going to do a little bit deeper dive into eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is an amazing essential oil, and we're going to give you the top 10 reasons and the benefits of eucalyptus. So eucalyptus trees are very tall. They grow up to 50 feet in height, and sometimes they're referred to as gum trees. The main chemical components that make up Eucalyptus radiata are eucalyptol and alpha terpenol, making it the ideal essential oil components for feelings of clear breathing and open airways and creating a very soothing and massage experience. I love the purifying properties of eucalyptus oil. It can be even utilized for oral health, but it is not an internal oil. We'll talk about that in a moment, but you can gargle with it and spit out. Just make sure you don't swallow it. It is a very clean and fresh scent. Overall, eucalyptus helps with immune system and respiratory support, and it is even an antioxidant protection. There are over 400 studies that have been published on PubMed.gov for the medicinal benefits of eucalyptus essential oil and its 2 major components. So you'll want to check that out. So how about some fun facts? But before I do that, make sure that you have hit that subscribe and also the bell notification to find out about future content. You don't want to miss it. So some of the fun facts are that eucalyptus comes from Australia. And did you know that an Australian pharmacist was the first to distill Eucalyptus radiata essential oil for commercial benefit back in 1852? There are over 700 species of eucalyptus plants, and they take up over 75% of the Australian vegetation. It takes 1 pound of eucalyptus leaves to produce the 15 ml bottle from doTERRA. 1 pound of eucalyptus leaves. Essential oils that blend really well with eucalyptus are peppermint, balance essential oil. It is a blend from doTERRA, rosemary, lemongrass, and lavender. So the next thing I'm going to tell you are the top 10 benefits, and then we'll shift gears on how to easily use them. So the first thing is respiratory. All things respiratory, cough, and immunity boost. This is going to be a game changer in your arsenal. The second thing is congestion. Anytime you're feeling that feeling, go ahead and rub it on your nose or over your chest. The next one is seasonal discomfort. Yes, sometimes we have something is blooming or growing and it has that itchy, watery eyes and discomfort in your throat and sinuses, so you can use it for that. For occasional pain and inflammation, I love to use it in a massage or in your bath. The next one is headaches and earaches. You'll just rub a drop on your head or around your ears. For increased body temperature, you can do a compress or even a rub with a little bit of coconut oil to help decrease your body temperature. The next thing that I like to do with eucalyptus is use it for mental clarity or stress. Don't those always seem to go hand in hand? When we're stressed, we can't focus. I love using eucalyptus topically or aromatically during those times. Another one is it can repel rats, and it is an insect repellent. A little recipe that I like to use are 20 drops of eucalyptus, 20 drops of doTERRA peppermint, and you can make a little spray and spray around your home, maybe along the windowsills or the doorways, and it'll help to make a really good repellent, or your outside trash can. Okay, the next one is a home disinfectant. You're gonna love eucalyptus. You can diffuse it, put a little bit on a cotton swab in your trash cans, and it smells so good. And then the last one is anything for skin irritations. It's very nourishing to your skin and also your hair. You can add a few drops to your moisturizer to even minor wounds and cuts and scrapes. Just a little bit of cotton on a cotton ball, and you can use that as a little toner on your skin. And also for funky feet, okay? Funky feet, a little Epsom soak bath with a few drops of eucalyptus. You can even put it directly on your nails with a cotton swab. If you have discoloration of your nails or maybe some fungal weird thing going on, you're gonna love that. So those are the top 10 things you can do with eucalyptus. So let's talk about how to use them. before I do that, if you're new to our channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe and also the bell notification so you can find out about future content. Thank you for being here. Also, comment below and let us know, what is your favorite one out of the top 10? What's your favorite one, and how will you like to use eucalyptus in your home? So aromatically, remember, aromatherapy is so easy. You just put 1 or 2 drops of doTERRA eucalyptus in your hands like this and breathe in. Ah, such a beautiful thing. Okay, you can put a few drops in your shower, not where the water runs, but just to the side, and have the beautiful spa experience in there. Also, you can make a steam mug. If you have missed our second video, we talked about a steam tent. We'll have that linked above for you. So steam mug is a little bit of hot water, a few drops of eucalyptus, and cover your head with a towel and breathe in aromatically. That helps open up your airways and help with purification, all those benefits we just talked about for immunity and congestion. I like it in my diffuser at bedtime, and it helps to soothe my breathing and also helps with a restful night of sleep. The next thing you can do in your diffusers, essential oils like eucalyptus help to invigorate and soothe. They help refresh and clean an inspiring aroma. Let me give you 2 diffuser blends. You'll want to write these down. So one of them is a crisp breeze blend, 2 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of juniper berry, and 2 drops of lemon in your diffuser. Smells so crisp and breezy in your home. The next one is a no limits diffuser blend. If you've got a lot of things that you need to do and you need a little kick in the pants today, we'll call this the no limits blend. 2 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of bergamot. Also, topically, so right on the area. If you're doing something for your skin or nails, you just put it topically directly on that area. You can also apply eucalyptus to your chest or forehead, under your nostrils, for feelings of a clean and open airway, for clean and clear breathing. You can combine it with the coconut oil for a soothing vapor rub that you can put on your chest or your children's chest, back, and feet. Additionally, you can use an unscented moisturizer. I love the one from doTERRA, by the way. Unscented moisturizer, and add the eucalyptus in there for all things skin and also invigorating to your senses. You can combine eucalyptus with basil and peppermint and massage behind the ear and down your throat for any type of ear discomfort. Another thing you can do with eucalyptus is put it directly on your mattress, or you can clean your laundry with it. Put a few drops in your laundry. You can also use it for your carpet and then vacuum over it as you help to purify those areas. You can clean stainless steel with it, also your sinks and any pet areas. You're gonna love eucalyptus oil. And then lastly, you can use it directly as an insect repellent. If you have mosquitoes in your area, like I do, just put a few drops like this on your arms, on limbs, and rub that in. All you do is do that on each limb for your family, and on your throat and neck, and that will help so much as an insect repellent. So the last thing is a warning. Make sure you do not ingest eucalyptus oil. This is one that is aromatic and topical. Remember, an easy way to know if an essential oil is internal is to look on the bottle for a supplement fact. So when you look at Eucalyptus radiata, it does not have an internal fact on it. So always dilute with a carrier oil like a coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil for any sensitive skin. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope to hear from you in the comments below. What was your favorite part? And make sure you've hit that subscribe and bell notification if you are new to our channel. We are glad you have found us. Our next video, I'm going to teach you a really simple and easy DIY, do it yourself, how to make your own lavender bath salts for a soothing spa experience directly in your own home. I hope you have a great day today.